Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a night sky eyeshadow makeup tutorial look, and let's just get right into this. So the first shade I'll be starting with is Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be putting this all over my eyelid just to get the effect of a night sky evening look. And I'm sorry if the quality is bad, my camera has died, so I'm be filming on my iPad today. And just like that, all over the eyelid. And now I'll be getting the shade called Diva from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette and be putting that on my upper crease. And just blending it. This color right here. Just like that. Getting the other shade called Enchanted from the same eyeshadow palette. Be putting that with my crease brush on my outer crease of my eye. And just smoking it out. Just like that. I'll be going in with the shade called Pineapple from the Violet Voss palette, Flamingo palette, right there. And be putting that on the center part of my eye. Just to give it like a bright yellow effect, I guess. There you go. I'll be going in back in with Enchanted with my small angled brush and be putting that on the line part of my eye just to give it more effect. And that's it for the eye look. I'll be doing the other eye off camera. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I promise next week will be better quality because I will be charging my camera right when I'm done this video. And I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to subscribe down there and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And have a great day guys. Bye.